In this video, we will see the applications of basic proportionality theorem, which also known as Thales theorem. In the previous video, we have seen that in a triangle, if a line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle to intersect the other two sides at distinct points, the other two sides are divided in the same ratio. That is, AD upon DB is equal to AE upon EC. This is the main relation of Thales theorem. On this Thales theorem, basic proportionality theorem, we can apply four relations to solve the questions based on this theorem. So these four applications, these four relations are: number one, alternando; number two, invertendo; number three, componendo; and number four, dividendo. Alternando, invertendo, componendo, and dividendo are the four relations, four applications we can apply on this Thales theorem. Remember, the main relation of Thales theorem is this: AD upon DB is equal to AE upon EC for this figure. Now we will see these relations one by one. The first one we have is alternando. Alternando means we can alter the relation of this Thales theorem. We have AD upon DB is equal to AE upon EC. Now we can shift the relation from numerator to denominator or denominator to numerator as per our need. Like, I can write this relation AD upon DB is equal to AE upon EC as interchanging DB here and AE here. So in this way it becomes AD upon AE is equal to DB upon EC. Okay? So you can see here, when we were using the relation of Thales theorem, the order of proportionality was AD upon DB is equal to AE upon EC. Same way. Now if we are shifting this relation as AD upon AE is equal to DB upon EC, so the relation has become AD upon AE is equal to DB upon EC. So once again we are maintaining the same proportionality, but this time the relation has been altered. Also we can write this term EC here and AD here as per our need. So this way we can use the relation alternando. Okay? Let me write this. Once again, the main relation we have is this only. First I changed this AE here and DB here. Now for this same relation, we can write it as EC upon DB, writing this one here and AD here, AE upon AD. This means EC upon DB is equal to AE upon AD. So this way we can use the relation of alternando. Now let us see invertando. Once again, the main relation AD upon DB is equal to AE upon EC for the same figure, same relation which we have used previous. Now, invertendo means to invert the ratio. in which the denominator becomes numerator and the numerator becomes denominator. So by invertendo, you can write it as dB upon AD is equal to EC upon AE. Okay, so this is called invertendo, in which we invert the ratio as per our need. You will see these relations used when we will solve some questions. Third one we have is componendo. The main relation we have is AD upon TB is equal to AE upon EC by Thales theorem. In componendo, we add 1 to both sides. AD upon DB plus 1 is equal to AE upon EC plus 1. Okay? Then we take the LCM of this. So AD plus DB upon DB will be equal to AE plus EC upon EC. So now if you look at this figure, AD plus DB becomes AB and AE plus EC becomes AC. This means that AD plus DB, which is equal to AB upon DB, is equal to AE plus EC, which is equal to AC upon EC. So now you can see here, by applying componendo, the relation has become this. AB upon DB is equal to AB upon EC. That means ratio of full side with full side is equal to ratio of part with the part. Okay? Now the fourth relation we have is dividendo. Once again, the main relation we have AD upon DB is equal to AE upon EC. This is the main relation. The relation of dividendo we use generally to find the ratio of part with the part. As the componendo relation was used to find the ratio of whole side with the part, dividendo is used to find the ratio of part with the part. That means in this main relation, if in question we are given, suppose I am using this one, AP upon DB is equal to AC upon EC. So we are given full side upon part is equal to full side upon part. Now out of this full side, you want the other part to be taken out. Okay? So other part of AB is AD because DB is already used here. Other part of AC is AE because EC is already here. So what you will do? In dividendo, we do subtracting 1 from both sides. So AB upon DB minus 1 is equal to AC upon EC minus 1. This means that, again taking out the LCM, AB minus DB upon DB is equal to AC minus EC upon EC. Now, if we subtract AD, if we subtract DB from AB, we get AD. So AB minus DB is equal to AD upon DB is equal to AC minus EC is equal to AE upon EC. This means when we are given the ratio of full side with the part, we can use dividendo to find the ratio of part with the part. Okay, so this way we can use dividendo. In dividendo, either we subtract 1 from both sides or we subtract the relation of the ratio from 1. It can be also done as 1 minus AB upon DB is equal to 1 minus AC upon EC as per our need. So we will use this relation in solution of questions.